What's up, Bob?
What are you doing to my hook?
We're gonna weld it to the rack.
You know, they say you gotta be good to your hookers.
Oh, yeah.
Be good to the hookers.
For sure.
Don't be so angry.
No,
To the
don't
hookers.
ever do that.
Yeah. We got Tire Rack 2.0, Bodie and Ray, revamping it, changing the game. Look at this. What? Kind of hitch for behind the golf cart? What? That's gonna be sweet. Baer brakes. Got some rotors here for the Gen 2. GTS. Some old rotor. Baer brakes sent us out some 2-piece rotors, sexy, nice stuff. Called the Eradispeed 2-piece rotors. I guess that's supposed to eradicate some speed, I guess. I don't know. Got a curved vane designed to get a lot of heat out of there. Had trouble with excessive heat in the brakes on this car. Look at this. Oh yeah. Great customer service from these folks. Shipped here super fast, which is really nice considering how everything's back ordered and shipping slowly everywhere else. Here's your lefter. But yeah, in the past I've had a lot of issues with excessive brake heat with this car. We've actually had trouble with boiling fluid and whatnot, and super excited to have a cool the vane rotor here on the car. That's going to be a welcome addition. A little less weight and less heat, so that's going to be great. Thanks a lot, Baer brakes. Super cool box too. I mean, again, look at this box. Where to say? Where to say it? Where to say it? There we go. That's good stuff. All right. Thanks a lot, Baer. Like I said, great customer service. Appreciate it. Alrighty. So hopefully the fan in the background isn't too loud, too terribly loud. More preventative maintenance, track prep, you may call it. Funny how it goes. While trying to get the AC system to work, because this is a street car and I'd like to have air conditioning, we noticed the tensioner pulley was at an angle. It seemed the tensioner was actually on the brink of failure. So that's a good eye, good catch, good job, Mitch. Well, after many attempts to access the bolt from the backside, failed. I actually broke a socket off. I think it was too damn tight. I had to take the top engine apart, or top of the accessory drive apart. Take the alternator out there, take the bolts loose off this cross member, pop it up, get that bolt, get that away, and finally got the tensioner replaced. New tensioner, new pulley there. Used one off the shelf actually technically, but it's pretty much damn brand new. The other one sounded pretty squeaky. So yeah, you know, just hopefully eliminating some weak points, lowering the overall likelihood of a trackside failure. But geez, I mean, we just do not have time for this right now, you know. Had the front bumper off to fix the leaky overflow tank. It's a funny deal. This hole right here from the factory, via vibration, will actually put a hole on the bottom of your tank and you'll lose coolant. So that happened. Pull that off, epoxied the hole shut, good to go, just like brand new. She's freaking mint. But while we had the bumper off, we were working on fixing some of the hood gap, bumper gap, and headlight orientation, getting everything fitted up a little bit nicer. It's never really been a looker in that way. It's always had kind of funky gaps on it. This car was originally red. It's been painted blue and white by someone, and they did not do a very good job getting the gaps correct after the paint job. So we fixed that a little bit while we were in there, but little did we know we were on the brink of disaster, and I had to go in there and do some maintenance. So gonna get there. Just glad that we caught that now when I have a little bit of time. We don't have a whole lot of time. It is Saturday afternoon, and we're supposed to have these cars in the trailer loaded and ready to rock and roll Monday evening. So yeah, yep, lots to do. And the funny thing is, we just keep finding more things to do. So let's get this thing put back together. I did a TikTok. I dare say I do TikTok. And a guy pointed out to me that he believed that these rotors were installed incorrectly. He thought that this was an indication of the internal vane orientation, and he figured that these would not cool correctly. A good thing to point out on these Baer Eradispeeds, they have a reverse slot orientation. So that slot is opposite of the internal vane. Look at my nice dirty hands. Yeah, no matter many times I clean this car, every time I work on it, right? Anyway, so this is the correct orientation. This, they figure, is the most efficient, most reliable way of wiping the pad surface, making sure there's no inconsistent pad deposit to the rotor surface via this nice little groove. And then the internal vanes are slotted, let's see here, this way, so that centrifugal force will draw air in through the backside, in the backside of the hub area, the hat area, and then it will expel through the backside of this hub area, and then it will expel the hot air through the rotor here, cooling the rotor, cooling the hub, actually overall lowering the temperature in this area of the vehicle. Matter of fact, before we put these nice boots on there, I would actually boil the lubricant out of the ball joint, tie rod end, upper ball joint, lower ball joint, tie rod. So these will help with that. They'll also, yeah, I'm just very, I can't say how excited I am about having these Baer rotors on my car. Lower rotating weight, lower unsprung weight, better cooling. I mean, it's just going to be a win all around. And also, I mean, damn, they look sweet. So anyway, stop talking about it, do it, get back to work. Let's get this poor old thing put back together. Oh, another cool thing to point out. Bam! Carbon fiber headlight delete panels. Shave some weight, and the original fog lamps for these cars are glass, and they are unobtainium. Chrysler does not make them. No one makes a reproduction of them. They're very rare. So because on the racetrack, it's very likely someone could kick up a stone or something and damage your fog lamps. I'm not gonna risk it.